We're at go-to-math.com. Go up here, click on Algebra. Of course, you can't see it on the screen. I've made some changes. Literal Equations, let's click on that and go to 3.2. I believe that's where we're at. Okay, so another solve for x problem. Looks like we have a over b x plus c over d is equal to 0, Solve for x. Let's go over to a marker board. Of course, this isn't my marker board on the web page. I'm just kind of checking out this one. This is Windows Journal. I didn't even know I had it. I had no idea. Messing around with Windows program. I don't know half of what's on here. Too busy doing other things. Okay, so we have a over b, which is actually a nice little marker board to write on. I like it. Plus c over, it's not as convenient as the one having it right on the page because I've got to rewrite the problem down. But as long as it looks good. Okay, so I was like sitting here thinking, didn't we just do this problem? I guess not. Solve for x in this problem. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this c over d. We got to get rid of that. So we want to move all the constants to one side. We're trying to isolate x. Remember, that's what's going on in this problem. We're going to do that by subtracting c over d to both sides. All right, that'll get rid of this guy here. And then we'll rewrite it. So we have a over b x is equal to negative c over d. All right. Now we want to get a 1 right here. So that means we're going to multiply through by the reciprocal. And the reciprocal of a over b, let's just do a little side work. I've been writing the reciprocal as 1 over whatever that coefficient is. Remember? And of course, 1 over a over b is actually just b over a. Okay, you just end up flipping this fraction. So we're going to write b over a here times, then we'll write b over a over here. So this b's cancel, a's cancel, you're left with a 1. Of course, we're going to leave that 1 off. And now what do we got going on here? Well, we got minus c over b, c times b, and d times a. Of course, this would reduce down, for example, if d and b were equal, right? Or if d goes into b, or the GCD of d and b is, let's say, more than 1, greater than 1, then we could divide that number into both those. But anyway, we're leaving it like this, leave it general. X is equal to negative c times b over d times a. We'll go back. Let's click that. What was that again? Negative c times b d times a. Okay. Now up here, obviously you've got two different ways of doing it in the top, two different ways of writing it. In other words, this could be b times c, right, or c times b like it is, d times a, or a times d. However, remember that this box is only programmed for one possibility. X is equal to negative. Now we'll have to put the top in parentheses. No, technically we don't, and I'm not sure how I programmed it, so I'll let you figure that out. Anyway, as long as you understand how to solve for x in this problem, I don't want to waste any time on that. I'll let you try to figure that out. Where are we? We're over here at go-to-math.com. That's where we are. Come on by, practice. See you later.